Hello guys, welcome back to our channel and to our new free course home workout for muscle gain. In this course we will show you the best routines and the best exercises for you to gain muscle and strength in home conditions. All you will need is just a floor and parallel bars that you can buy or build yourself. So let's go and I will show you the first amazing routine. Okay guys, so the first routine in our course, and it will consist of 4 exercises. This routine is very good for development of the muscles in your upper body and in your core. Okay, so the first exercise is dips, and I will show you how you will need to do it. So the idea is to do 5 to 8 repetitions. So I will show you 5. Basically, you will need to take the parallel bars right here and lean forward as much as you can. And the idea is to touch the floor with your chest. So you go as deep as you can. And also, I always mention, and it's worth to mention, that you have to always warm up and stretch before doing any exercise. So it's important to avoid any possible injury, and also this way you prepare your body for work. So we will have a separate course on the warm up and stretching, so we will not concentrate on the warm up in this course, but I assume that before you do anything you have your body already prepared. So pay attention to technique of this exercise. Do not grab the bars with the full strength of your wrist, because this way there will be a lot of strain on this part. So you have to actually loosen up a little bit, and you go 5 to 8 repetitions. Okay, so 5 repetitions of dips. So as I mentioned, make sure that you lean as forward as possible. So this way you will work out this part a lot, and this is the purpose of this exercise. So after, for you to rest your upper body a little bit, there is a core exercise. Okay, so it's so basically you hold yourself in an L seat, then you pick up your legs and straighten them out again. So this exercise is really good for the core. As you probably saw, my parallel bars are sliding away a little bit, so for the next video I will put something on the floor, but this is the idea. Then the third exercise is tucked planche push-ups. So I will show you how they are done. And I didn't mention that the second exercise you need to do approximately 10-15 repetitions, or let's say until you get tired and cannot continue. So 5 to 8 repetitions of tucked planche push-ups. So basically you put yourself in a tucked planche position. Okay, so it's like this, and okay, so that's the third exercise. And also guys, if you're not able to to do deep dips or tuck planche push-ups, you can still try to do these exercises to your ability. So let's say if you do not have enough strength yet to touch the floor with your chest with the deep dips, lower as much as you can. So by doing it, you will develop strength and eventually you will be able to do it well. Or simply do not lean forward as much if you feel that it's too difficult for you and you cannot do it this way. For planche push-ups, it's quite an advanced exercise, but the same as with deep dips, you can lower less, but by doing it, you will develop strength and eventually you will be able to do it well. And the fourth exercise, take parallel bars, and it's similar to another exercise, but instead of doing kicks forward with your legs, you actually go side to side. Okay. Okay, so that was the third exercise, and once again, for some people it may be challenging, but just do it to your ability and eventually you will develop strength. And these are the exercises that are really good for your upper body and shoulder and core strength. Okay, so this routine you need to repeat at least 10 times, and I promise that this routine will help you develop muscle really well, because these exercises are quite difficult, and as I was explaining in our muscle building course, when the exercise is as difficult that you do only 5 to 8 or 10 repetitions, so that works your muscle in a way that it grows. So this exercise is really good for muscle growing. So I will see you guys in the next part, and I will show you the next routine in the next part. Don't forget to do 10 rounds of this routine. I will see you there.